Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro. Verdict: Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro is a high-end smartphone offering impeccable specs. Its 12GB RAM, 256GB internal storage accompanied by a massive 5000 mAh battery with fast charging technology makes it a stunning deal to invest in. Further, the smartphone also features an exceptional camera setup on its front and rear sides, enabling users to capture amazing images and videos with any background or lighting. However, the non-expandable storage space might be a matter of concern for certain buyers. High-end smartphone with exceptional features. Display and camera. Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro features a 6.67-inch AMOLED display, having a screen resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels. The bezel-less display of the device flaunts an amazing pixel density of 386p. Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro is equipped with an outstanding quad camera setup on its rear side, which includes a 108MP primary camera, a 13MP camera, a 5MP camera, and another 2MP camera. The entire rear camera setup offers a wide variety of features like face detection, autofocus, HDR mode, digital zoom, exposure compensation and more. On the front side of the device there is a 32MP under-display selfie shooter capable of capturing stunning self-portraits. Configuration and battery. Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro runs on a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset and an octa-core processor configuration of Creo 585 single-core 3.1 GHz, Creo 585 tri-core 2.42 GHz and Creo 585 quad-core 1.8 GHz. The 12GB RAM and Adreno 650 GPU of the device offers a seamless multitasking experience. Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro derives its power from a Li polymer type, 5000 mAh non-replaceable battery that is also equipped with fast charging technology. Storage and connectivity. The smartphone features a non-expandable 256GB internal storage. Considering the connectivity and network features, the device supports 5G, 4G VoLTE, LTE, a GPS, mobile hotspot, V5.0 Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and USB Type-C. Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro price and market is expected to be 51,490 rupees. Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro expected to be launched on December 19, 2020. This is 12GB RAM, 256GB internal storage base variant of Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro, which is expected to available in black, gold color. Buy for massive 5000 mAh battery with fast charging, awesome 12GB RAM and 256GB storage, duo exceptional rear and front camera setup. Beware of non-expandable storage space. For more updates subscribe to Tech News and share this video.